Stormbreaker, you need newspaper, cardboard, hot glue, paint, and water. The first step is to make a roll using newspaper. You have to make many more of these rolls. Cut out the weak ends of the roll. I'm gonna take the 6 rolls I made and position them into a pentagon shape. Like this. If you have more than 6 rolls, try to make a shape that looks like a circle. Now I'm going to hot glue these rolls together. Now I'm going to cut this shape. It has a 1 by 1 inch square in the middle. It is connected to 4 5 by 1 inch rectangle. I'm done cutting the shape. Now I'm going to hot glue the newspapers to the middle. Now I'm going to glue the rectangles to the newspaper roll. Making the handle. This finishes the first step. For the second step, you should cut out this shape. After you cut it out, fold the flaps on the line using a ruler. Now I'm going to hot glue it into this box shape. Like this. Making the hammer end. Now I'm going to hot glue the hammer end to the handle. We're done making the hammer end and attaching it to the handle. This finishes the second step. The next step is to cut out a piece like this. You'll need to cut out 2 of these axe-shaped pieces. You'll also have to cut out 2 triangles. The triangles I'm using have a maximum width of 1 inch. You have to bend the triangles using the corrugation like this. Now I'm going to glue these triangles over here. These triangles help for making the axe shape. Now we're going to glue the other axe shape on top. Now we're going to glue it onto the handle. We're done making the basic structure of Stormbreaker. This finishes the third step. Next, we're going to crumple a piece of newspaper. And we're going to stick it to Stormbreaker. Then stick another newspaper to make an X shape. This will be Groot's hands. This is how it looks like. Now you'll take a rectangle piece of cardboard and strip the backing off. Now we're going to attach it to the bottom of the handle. Then roll the newspaper over the whole handle. Try to not use shiny paper like this. Now I'm going to cut out a few pieces of cardboard and glue them to Stormbreaker to make a design. The strips of cardboard. This finishes the fourth step. Next, I'm going to make a mixture using equal parts of water and glue. I'm going to glue some newspaper using this mixture. Try to not use shiny paper like this. After the newspaper dries, I am going to paint Stormbreaker. If you use too much water, you might have to add another coat of paint. Make the details brighter than the rest of Stormbreaker. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out my other video of how to make Captain America shield. I forgot the first thing. Also check out